Hello and welcome back to Propportunities. You may remember it was about 18 months ago that we were last here at All Saints Church in Hawkhurst. But a lot's been going on then, and now the properties of the 4 apartments at least are ready and on the market. More details of this property can be seen at allsaintshawkhurst.com. So whilst the external parts of the property and the tower house itself are yet to be completed, the 4 apartments are all ready and on the market for sale. Let's go and take a look inside. So one of the most impressive things about this property is this large open space right in the middle, which is a communal area for all 4 flats to share. At one end, we've got the large west window and the terrace area for flats 3 and 4. At the other end, an impressive arch leading through to the tower house. Many of the original features are here, and for example here the original pulpit, we also have the font, and also you can see there's the 12 apostles dotted here and around the building. This is the other end of that large communal area, and this is the original font which has been fully restored as well. We also have original tile floor, metalwork, and around the outside the large stone columns which divide up the separate apartments. Newly constructed behind me is the terrace for flats 3 and 4, glass balustrade and timber cladding. So here we are in the kitchen dining area of number 1 All Saints. But they say the kitchen really is the heart of the home. It certainly is in this development. Every one of the kitchens is a little bit different, so we're going to take a quick look at each of those in turn. This one is a Schmidt model with Bosch integrated appliances, lovely thick worktops, a big island, a breakfast bar, overhang, etc. But there's still space for a dining area or a secondary reception. But the best thing about this room is the view. And this is the view I was talking about. So you're in the kitchen dining area, you're looking back this way through double glazed, fire rated doors, glass balustrades opening up this lovely stained glass window behind. As if by magic, we're into number 2. Now this kitchen is a slightly smaller room than the others, and therefore hasn't got the island. What it has got is a high block Schmidt kitchen with silestone worktops, a big air force extractor, integrated Bosch appliances, and a rather menacing looking sink. So here we are in the kitchen of number 3 All Saints. Again, it's a large open plan area with lots of space for dining or secondary reception. Here they've gone for a high glass kitchen to closely match the stonework, solid oak worktops, lovely big island with a hob, extractor unit and integrated appliances. So this is now number 4 All Saints. It's a little bit different to the other apartments in respect of the kitchen on the ground floor. This is because it's got a slightly reduced floor plan from the entrance to the building itself, but it does mean it's got a separate, very large reception room on the first floor. So down here in the kitchen there's a Schmidt kitchen before, silestone worktops, space for a fridge freezer, fitted cooker, hob, dishwasher, etc. And over here we've got a separate utility cupboard. There's plenty of space here for a lovely dining table with a walk on glass right above. So this is the reception area of number 4, and unlike the other apartments, it's actually on the first floor. Like all of them, it has real oak flooring, it has lots of spotlights, a mechanical heat ventilation system, a full sprinkling system throughout, loads of connections for TV, internet, etc. But this is number 4, I've got something a little bit special, and that's a direct terrace. So here we are now on the terrace of apartment number 4, and behind me you can see the communal areas, and behind the archway looking into the impressive tower house. So this is the second floor or top floor of each of the apartments. They're all laid out pretty much the same. They've each got a master bedroom linking directly into a Jack and Jill bathroom and a separate smaller second bedroom. Well, this is actually part 2 of a 3-part series that we've produced on this former church. And do stay with us and subscribe to our channel to ensure you're made aware of number 3 when available. In that video, we'll be looking at the impressive tower house, which is near completion, and also taking you around the grounds. Don't forget, if you like the video, give us a like, look back for number 1, and see just what this church was like when the development started. Thanks for watching, speak to you soon.